I'm guilty of is failing to eject a fully mature minor from my bed that she was in with the woman that I was sleeping in. Nothing more. Anything that you have assumed about me because that I slept with a minor. So if you want to label me as a pedophile because of that, she had been living among adults since she was 9. No, I'm not trying to enable pedophilia or anything. I'm just, it's human nature. I was paying too much attention to the younger woman. This is, they're just fixated on me being a child molester. I slept with a minor. No, this is a fully mature adult person who just happened to be not quite a legal age yet. She was underage. She can't make her own decisions. You molested her. I slept with a minor, and there is going to be legal actions taken starting right now. Starting right now. She's gushing. I have her phone number. I know exactly where she lives. I would go and throw a firebomb through her window. I'm in training. I'm too fat. I'm exercising all the time at my desk even. I'm going to be teaching a lot of self-respiratory therapy too. That ain't fucking COPD, you assholes. That's a therapeutic cough I've been working on for years. Hear that? Namaste, motherfuckers. My lungs are clear. A 65-year-old toothless fat old tranny. Come on, don't give me that. I'm looking sexy shit. Because Tom doesn't exist. Tom will kill. Anger. I was like, whoa, shit. Keep touching your fucking selves, man. Nobody will care. They have absolutely no right to take my videos and do what they've done to it.